Yard sale. Ito yung mga tinatawag. Hi, morning. Ito tinatawag nilang yard sale. Nice. Oh, this one is nice. 2,000. What is this? How much is this, sir?
1,000.
Huh?
1,000.
Ah! 1,000. Mahal. So, ito pa yung ito, tingnan natin ito. Tingnan natin kung ano pwede natin pagkinabangan dito. Ito, vest. Ay, papapopong. Sa aso ba ito? Hindi, ito ang vest. $1 siguro ito, US. Ano? Ito. Yan, ito kailangan. So, dito ang tinatawag na yard sale. Yard sale. Cute. Nice. You're selling the tools also? Some tools? No? Ah, okay. G.I. Joe. Oops. So, it's windy.
Better selling than 53 more things to do and more controversial, long-committed trilogy of philosophical blockbusters Where God Went Wrong, some more of God's greatest mistakes, and Who is this God person?
It's a hero.
It's already supplanted the
Oh, this is a classic
as the standard repository of all knowledge and wisdom for two important reasons.
like GoPro.
First, it's slightly cheaper. And second, it has the words "Don't Panic" printed in large print.
How do
You have to get this milled out
Oh,
to
okay.
what caliber you have it done.
You're selling?
It depends like what you're looking for.
Oh, wow, that's cool. So it comes with that one too?
Like if you wanted, because I have most of the stuff to start the build.
Anyway, do you have small TV they're selling? Small, no?
No, just that one.
No, just that one. It's huge.
$50.
$50? Is it a smart? No.
I don't think so. No.
It can connect.
Like the Xbox with all the 60-inch.
Yeah, it's too big. And thank you. Ito yung mga drone. Hello there. What's going on? Kasama. Okay.
Yellow leech-like, probably the oddest thing in the universe. It feeds on brainwave energy, absorbing unconscious frequencies and excreting a matrix of conscious frequencies to the speech centers of the brain. The practical upshot of which is that if you stick one in your ear, you instantly understand anything sent to you.
Sana
in
inisip ko
any
din siya.
language.
I like the TV but it's too big. That's this is for glucose.
Yeah.
Glucose for diabetic. This baseball. The clothes brand new. Nice. Ito sa ano. Tools there. Tools. This one, Ryobi. Tools. Can I check that one, sir?
Oh,
That's yours?
I have other stuff in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's.
Is widely
I'll just.
accepted as the third worst.
What kind of tool is this?
It's a router, but
During the recitation by their
I don't know what's wrong with it. Something's wrong with it.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna report $2.
Yeah.
found in my outfit one midsummer morning, 4 of his audience died of internal hemorrhaging. And the president of the Mid-Galactic Arts Modeling Council survived by gnawing one of his own legs. Oh, I will rend thee in the The Absolute poetry was written by Paula Nancy Millstone Jennings of Sussex.
It's an
Nothing
old-
was destroyed when the Earth was. She is dead.
Classic John Lennon.
I present you with a choice.
John Lennon.
Antiques.
Antiques, eh? Yeah. Somebody will buy this one. Antique collectors.
Actually, I rather like it. Some words didn't understand, but found the imagery quite effective.
Wow, this is cool.
Oh, yes, interesting rhythmic devices.
This one, no?
Seemed to counterbalance the underlying metaphor of the humanity of.
Is this working?
What you're saying is
What is it? Is it like tablet or no?
Yeah, it's fire.
underneath this
That's what they're called, fire tablet.
I know, yeah. But it's not.
I just charged it yesterday.
What's the charger? Type C?
No, it's the mini
The small
USB.
ones?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there it goes.
Just for reading or what?
No, you can put the apps on it. Watch TV, watch the YouTube and all that stuff.
How much is it? It's broken. Okay.
Yeah, it's just cracked.
Sorry.
It's okay.
What about this? Same thing?
Yeah.
How much is it?
I got $5 for each.
$5. Make it 3. It's broken.
We're gonna die.
Do you have an extra charger for this?
I have just this charger.
What's this?
That's what I was plugging into.
There's nothing here.
It's not working.
Yeah, I don't think that one's charged. I
Oh.
have to charge it. That's not charged. I charged that one yesterday.
But it works, right?
Yeah.
Would you like a hug? No.
$3 for that. Shoes. Ambulance.
It also says that if you hold a lung full of air, you can survive in the total vacuum of space for about 30 seconds.
Charge?
But with space being
Yeah,
really big,
charging it.
chances
It's
of
charging.
being picked up within that
It's charging? The
Yeah, I
pump?
plugged it in.
Yeah. So it's charging. It's saying it's charging?
Yeah.
60,000
Give me 3. Just 5? That's the last price?
Yeah, 5.
I think I'm gonna. This one is totally broken.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get that one.
Okay.
5.
Wait for it to charge so you can see it.
It's not gonna go together with the charger.
Yeah, I'll put the charger.
Okay. As long as it's charged, that's fine. I'll take it home.
Did you want to see it?
Yeah,
Work?
please. Yeah.
I don't know. It's gonna take a minute because
It's okay.
I know how you feel.
last it took like maybe 2 minutes.
To me, that's
And then
fine.
it finally came.
As long as it's charged, that's fine.
So much for the long.
I live around, so it's okay. So, I'm just here. Oh, this one is good too. NFL. Alright, I'm gonna get that one, sir. The 5 bar. I'm just gonna charge it at home. So $5, $5 for the Amazon. What's that? Kindle? No, it's not Kindle, no? It's the tablet.
Fire.
Fire. So okay, $5. Thank you, sir.
Already.
Thank you. Take care. All right.
1,000?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, 1,000?
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Maybe. Come on.
They're like brand new. 17.
Ang binibili niyo. I have 3 dogs. Got you. Bye. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Go there. Okay.